break in the action for a couple of minutes here, but there's 2 more boats pulling up and they're getting their fish up now. So we should have some more fish on the rack here in just a minute, and they'll be back on the cleaning tables. The little ones are harder than the big ones, aren't they?
I think probably a 35 pounder is like the nicest fish to cut.
Yeah.
Want to see the fish?
Goodness. What is?
Sorry.
Yeah, 108.
Let's go.
Oh, there's a lot of good eaters, but yeah, I don't know. It depends on the day. If the weather's nice. Do you want to? I can. Are you doing anything with the tail? Do you want a tail fin or mount or anything? No, just maximum recovery. Okay, cool. Just double checking. I cut. I would leave like some on there if you were gonna do that.
I caught one.
Yeah. Well, alright. Sending things flying. Why don't you grab that for me?
I'm right in front of the house.
Thank you. Thankfully, there's no cheek.
Yeah, there weren't no cheeks in it.
Nice cheek right there. D and G.
Sorry, okay. Desiree and Garrett.
No, this is a full day.
Yeah, you can tell by the
You gotta go to deeper water to get that.
Cool.
And that one's looking like.
He's still touching.
Oh! I gotta get taller then. Help me read this. I don't know. I'm calling it
63?
yeah, 63 pounds, 17
I got that
feet.
one.
All right, that's the mark to meet tomorrow.
All right.
A bunch of halibut and lingcod. More halibut and lingcod. Black rockfish. Bunch of rockfish, lingcod. Big lingcod there. Some more black rockfish. Looks like one yellow eye rockfish. Probably some more yellow eyes down under that. That's a big old mess of fish came off of the casino today.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.